Alright, I have this amp here. It's a Rockford Fosgate Power Series. I'm not sure of the model. Let's see if it's here. Yeah, here it is. Power 3505. Now, I already know what's wrong with it because this is the second time that I dug in here. But the first time I gave up, and that's because I couldn't find replacement RCAs. So this time I'm going to give it a shot and take everything out and see if I can possibly guinea rig what I have in stock. I do have some RCAs, let me say here, but they're different, see? They're not what these are here, which is side by side. But I think I'm just gonna customize two of these and make something like that. Okay. Here we go. Okay, where am I stuck at? And the light. This light's probably glued. Let me see. Oh, I see the problem. It's a clip. Let me zoom you in. Go. Alright, see if I can get this out of here. Here we go. See, I could not find one of these. So that's what I need. And here's what I have. I'm going to try to customize that like I mentioned, but it's looking like probably not going to happen. What I think I'm going to do is possibly fix this. And what it is, oh, nope, I can't fix it. That leg just broke. Yeah, it's all messed up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to guinea rig this somehow. Let me figure this out, and I'll get right back with you. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean out these posts here. I'm gonna clean this out over here. Prep it. Right, that looks good. Alright, let's see what I can do here. I'm gonna zoom you out a bit. Okay, where am I at? Right there. So, I see the problem already. This leg here needs to be in front of these other two legs right here. These two legs. So I maybe I can bend it or customize it somehow. I can bend this one, get this one up front. Let's see what I have to do here. It's going to be like that, and then flip. Yeah, see this leg here. Let me see if I can lift this one without breaking. Okay, and then bend that one. I don't know, just going with the flow, yeah. It's not gonna work, I don't think so. We'll give it a shot. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's see. You never know. Okay, like that. Push this back. Okay, let's see where we at. So that goes like that. So somehow, you know what I can do? I can put a bridge. Like I can bridge that down that way. I can definitely do that. Okay, let's see something. Put it back to where it was. And of course I broke it. See? No good? But it's okay. Because I can save this. Let me see here. So these two will be here. And that one would be there going down. Yeah, I think I got an idea here. I'm going to turn off the camera because it's going to be a while. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reuse the old posts, these especially right here. Okay. I think I'm going to cut them. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to cut them. Right about here. Save that. And we'll use that one too. So now I got the two old posts off of there. Alright. I'm getting there. Got that one on here, but it's not, still don't have the post, that broken post. And see how it's hanging? Yeah. It might actually work. I'm thinking it will. So now I'm gonna, I think, yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some solder down here, make this nice and tight, and then I'm gonna solder that post up top. Okay. See how that's looking, nice and straight. Let me see something here. This was like this. Red, white, red, white. Red and white. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. We'll figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna break this one as well. Here. I have to put this post in first, or else I won't be able to get to it. I gotta clean this out. Okay. Okay. And then how was that post? It was supposed to be like this. And it's not going in that hole. Let's see if I can solder it. There we go. Probably gonna be like that. Now place this. Actually, it's gonna bend that and place this somewhere here. What's going on? Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Hold on. I gotta put solder on here, or else I won't be able to get to it. There we go. That should be good. Okay. And then those legs, I gotta split them apart too. Oh, I see what's going on. I'm gonna have to eliminate one of these here because they both butting up against it. So let me see here. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to line it up with the existing hole to get a hole there. I think I'm gonna, yeah, just eliminate this one since I have this one out already. I'll just cut it. I think, yeah, it's alright. Just like that. There goes that piece flying all over the room. Let's see how that works. Yeah, I think I have no choice. Actually, did I mess that up? No. Okay. Oh, okay, I see the problem. Yeah, this other side is hitting up on these components here. I'm just gonna have to eliminate that one completely. I'm okay with that. I'll figure it out. Hopefully the one that's on here is gonna line up with which probably not. Yeah, it might with that screw hole. Alright, now I'm pressing down. Actually, I can't do that with one hand. See if I can get this straight. That looks about right. Ah, boy. Okay. Let me see how that looks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now the other side. Better off going through here. Let me see. Okay. Alright, so that's looking pretty good, right? I'd say so, right? Now the true quest is back here, getting this third post done just right, and what I have to do is I have to twist it. So wish me luck. Here we go. Take it, twist it. Okay. And twist again. Push. Oof. Okay, now how am I going to solder this? I might need a second person here one day. Or get a clamp or something. I think I got it. Let me see. Yep, I got it. In a way, I don't like it too much. I'm going to put a little more solder after. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Sorry, you guys can't see the angle on here. It's very awkward. Definitely not, no. This ain't no regular job. Like I said, there's a little bit of guinea rig in here, a little customization, and etc. This one got bad bit. Okay, it's looking good. Now, I did see something fall right there. Alright, let's see how that looks. As you can see, it's a little sloppy, but you know what? That's going to work. What I'll do is I'll really finesse it. I'll cut off the edges on there. See? Like this. I'll do it right now, actually. Yep. That's going to work. Oh yeah, that looks good. A lot better. Yeah, that's looking really good. I'm really happy with that. There it is. Okay. Those are RCAs. I believe it was the top ones. So left is white and right is red. Okay. Old school iPad. Or should I say iPod? Press play. Turn on my power supply. And here we go. Let's see. Yep. Turn red. Okay, and I'm gonna hold it and let's see if there's audio. Okay, let's see if this other channel is working. Yeah, this screwdriver doesn't have a magnetic end. Kind of annoying. Oh, alright. Oh yeah, because I don't have a RCA. Yeah. There you have it. Alright, so I'm going to put her back together, put some new thermal paste. I'm going to go through all these joints. I'm going to touch up this and that. I've got to make that extra strong because I don't want that to be flimsy. Okay. It's on there, but the thing is, it's going side to side. I might have to put a bracket. I'll have to figure it out. But it's looking pretty good. I'm satisfied with it. Yeah, I'm happy with that.